Given that x and y are complementary angles, that means the sum of the angles x and y will give you 90 degree. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 90 degree. The next condition is ratio of x and y, x is to y, is 1 is to 2. Express that as a fraction x by y equal to 1 by 2. Rearranging, we get 2x equal to y or y equal to 2x, which is the second equation. We can solve these equations using elimination method or by method of substitution. For substitution method, use equation 2, substitute the value of y, that is 2x, from equation 2 into the first equation. So x plus y equal to 90 degree becomes x plus 2x equal to 90 or 3x equal to 90 degree, which means x equal to 30 degree. To get the value of y, substitute this back in equation 2. So y equal to 2 times 30 degree, y equal to 60 degree.